filet.
So what thoughts do you have about the graduation so far?
Salmon.
What thoughts do you have about Chris's graduation so far?
What about if you were eating hot
Not
cocoa?
too much, you know, because I have the elevator. It's on a ballot.
Yeah?
Mostly on the left.
Okay.
I don't know if let me try it over here.
Bob, you're not eating filet.
Bob, what do you think about Chris graduating from high school?
Snickle Fritz.
She's going to the elevator.
Do you need anything
Bob.
downstairs?
Yes. That I like, you know.
Hey, Bob.
Alex, get in that picture.
Nah.
Get in the picture.
Bob, what do you think about Chris graduating so far?
What is this?
Why? You can't watch any more baseball games, right?
Yeah.
Still your seat.
She thought
Poor
they
boy's
thought
growing up.
They're glad he's going to find ways to college career and he won't be home with
Yeah.
a month.
And he's going to get real smart now.
Yes, yes.
Was this yours or Alex's?
Courtney, any words of wisdom for Chris?
Didn't know you were taking a video.
I am.
Good luck.
James Madison, here he comes.
It's kind of where you end up.
Sometimes that happens, yep.
It's kind of where you end
So
up.
what do you think about Chris graduating?
I think it's wonderful, darling. I think it's wonderful. Can I do the splash?
Yes, you may. And you?
Exciting, a new chapter.
Any special words of encouragement?
Yes, enjoy this time. Don't major in history. Yes.
All right, now I got to ask, any words for Chris upon his graduation?
Congratulations.
You got to say something better than that. Why?
Uncomfortable.
I know.
Here.
All right.